I'm going to show you how to easily add text in Premiere Pro. Right, what you need to do is you need to select your type tool, right, from here, from this toolbar, on your basically content or your footage, whatever you've got. Type in what the text you want. I'm going to, in this case, I'm just going to put Premiere Pro, right. Now, if you click here and select Ctrl A, what it will do is I'll highlight it for you, and this allows you to modify your text. So if you come here to this left corner and you click this arrow, drop down menu, allows you to modify your text. So I'm going to change my font size to 200. I'm going to change my font to Monsterrat, which is actual Mr. Beast font. So if you want to use this, go ahead, you're free to, you can download it on the internet. I'm going to put it here, let's actually put it here, and I'm going to change what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change my text because it's very, very ugly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it again, and I'm going to do stroke and shadow. I'm going to change the shadow to black, and I'm going to put a stroke black, and I'm going to change the outline size to 16. And what this does, or the stroke size, basically makes it much better. As you can see, this is much better and basically looks like Mr. Beast's text, right? So, and additionally, if you want to change your text, for example, you want to make it appear maybe here, you're free to do so, just change that. And you can also change the length of the text, maybe you want to for the whole video. And as you can see, changed, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and peace.